All right, hello. Today we're going to be opening an XMark FID dumbbell bench, the XM-9010. So let me set up and we'll get started. Wow, double boxed, protected during shipping, yes. Nice. All right, let's open her up here. Let's see here, we got our manual, which I will put in, I guess, towards the end of the video, so you can check it out. All of our bolts. Everything is packaged great. Cushions. Tell you what, let me go ahead and get everything out of the box, and I'll have it all laid out so you can view it easier. All right, one thing I noticed as I was unboxing that I thought I'd share before I got too far into it was the quality of these cushions. This really feels like a commercial cushion, and it's got a really slick red stitching going around. And the back of this thing is not stapled with cheap fabric. It has it's completely finished all the way around. Great, good stuff. All right, let me finish unboxing this stuff. Okay, well, we've got it all unboxed. Everything was wrapped in its own thing of plastic or cardboard sleeve. There were no scratches on anything. Everything looks good. Looks pretty easy to put together. We're gonna start on that now. These cushions, again, are just great with this. Hope you can see that. All right, we'll see you in a few. All right, we got it put together, the XMark FID Bench. Let's see here, we got one thing I need to point out first is in the instruction manuals right at the top. Before step 1, note, hand tighten bolts and nylon lock nuts until machine is fully assembled. Yep, I did that, I didn't pay attention. Once I tightened as I went along, the machine was a little off balance and kind of rattled a little bit because it wasn't level. Loosened all the bolts and retightened, and now its sound is solid. Works great. I also didn't point this out earlier, but it has the degree angles for decline, flat, and as you work your way up at different incline positions, all the way up to a military position. It looks really good. I really wish you guys could see the quality of these cushions. It doesn't come through on camera, but it is really great. Let's see here. All of your tools needed were included. I opted to use a crescent wrench instead, just for a little more leverage than that, but all of your Allen wrenches you'll need, and some touch-up paint in case you ever get scratched or anything and you want to, keep it looking good. All right. Let's start off with doing angles. -20. Flat at 0, 20 degrees, 35, 50, 65, and 85. That'd be a good support for any kind of military press. In the flat position, we're looking at right at 19 and a half inches. Lengthwise, looking at the edge of this, your footrest, 54 inches. In width, it's about 23. Your cushions are going from 16 inches to 11. Your back cushion, the smallest point is 10.5. Its widest point where your back will be is about 11.5. And it is 33 inches long. Well, I hope that helps. If you're on the market looking for a bench, I hope this helps make your decision. Thanks for watching.